This is Harpal and Sons hot plate 12 by 10 inches top, and it is provided with a energy regulator, and there is a regulatory switch to control the heating from low, medium and high. So this is the energy regulator, and this show that the heating element has started working. This is a heavy Degchun top. So this is the hot plate manufactured by Harpal and Sons, best in quality. This hot plate has weight near about 5 to 6 kgs. We can shift the regulatory switch to medium and high to increase the heating. So this is the off. When we turn it off, so the heating element stop working. So this is the hot plate. Thank you so much.